This set equals 5 pliers, crimping pliers, cable cutter, combination pliers, scissors, and wire strippers. Alloy steel head is strong and durable. The comfortable bimaterial handle can reduce grip fatigue. The quick change structure ensures stable clamping, easy cutting, and easy replacement. Storage box saves space and is easy to carry. According to calculations, 5-in-1 combination interchangeable pliers set can save more than 20% of the money than ordinary 5 pliers. Workpro 5-in-1 combination interchangeable pliers set, multifunctional, space saving, and money saving.